This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe to sign documents. This process helps you handle paperwork efficiently and securely. You will learn the simple steps to add your signature to any PDF file. This method saves valuable time and resources, eliminating the need for printing and scanning. It also ensures your documents are processed swiftly, maintaining professional standards. To begin, find the document you need to sign on your computer. Double-click the file to open it automatically in Adobe Acrobat Reader, or right-click and choose Open with then Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure the entire document loads correctly, allowing you to easily navigate to the signature field. This initial step is crucial for a smooth signing process, ensuring your document is ready for the next stage and setting you up for success. Once your document is open, look for the Fill and Sign tool. You can usually find this on the right-hand side panel of Adobe Acrobat Reader. If it is not immediately visible, navigate to the Tools tab at the top, then select Fill and Sign from the available options. Clicking this tool will change your cursor and present new options for placing text, and most importantly, your signature, making the document interactive. Now click on the Sign icon, often represented by a pen nib, within the Fill and Sign toolbar. You have 3 flexible options to create your signature. You can type your name, draw it using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. After creating or selecting your signature, simply click on the desired spot on the document. You can then resize and reposition it as needed, making sure it looks perfect and is clearly visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.